You can use checkmark symbols as a way to show off completion, and because presentations often contain status updates, it's great to know how to create them in PowerPoint. Let's learn how in this quick video lesson. The easiest way to add a checkmark to anywhere on the slide is to start off by making sure that you're working inside of a text box. Now let's switch over to the Insert tab here. Find the Symbols tab here on the right side. Let's switch the font here to Wingdings, which is a special font that contains lots of symbols so that you can easily find a checkmark. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and now you'll see this check mark. I'll go ahead and double click it, and behind the scenes it will insert it into the text box. You can click it several times to insert multiple copies. Let's go ahead and click close, and now you'll see the check marks on your slide. One other option is to use these check boxes in a bulleted list. Let's click inside of another text box and find the bullets option. I'll click the drop down and then choose this list with check marks. Each of these points in your list is going to have a check mark here next to it, so it's easy to set up these checklists with this option. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks for watching.